Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Liverpool Wolves v Liverpool. Yeah guys, I might have a black eye for a few days gonna get punched in the face, so yeah. Oh well. Guys, mate, I take punching. So we're talking about, I'm saying a 1-0 loss to Liverpool. I'm just gonna say it. I don't wanna say it, no. And yeah, come on Liverpool. If Liverpool shows me and they can win away, Wolves ain't any easy game. We need to get the big 3 points. We need the big 3 points. And yeah guys, Liverpool need a big win here tonight. And yeah, guys, go and check my Twitch. I'll put it in there. I'll be streaming every other weekend. I don't care what my real name. I might stream this weekend though. I don't know yet. Sweet Caroline. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, no, 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 no. And tomorrow, guys, I got a special surprise about the British Baker. You're gonna have to wait and see until it is tomorrow. And thank you for the subs. I love you all. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you now. I'm gonna get ready for the game with Liverpool. So hopefully Liverpool can win. If we win, Klopp put the right team out today. But if we don't, it's just another loss we've had today. And yeah guys, I'm expecting a loss, 1-0 loss, 100%. But Liverpool could come back and show me right. And yeah, I'm going to leave it there for today. I'll be back tomorrow with the British Bake Off lineup. I can't wait for it. And then guys, I'll see you later. Bye guys.